Hello, good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are doing fine. Today, we are going to start the new chapter of geography, chapter number 2, that is Inside Our Earth. One introduction. What is there inside our Earth? This is basic introduction, what we are going to learn in this chapter. So, understand the heading Inside Our Earth. We are going to study about what is inside the Earth, inside our Earth, many kinds of things available. If we see the Earth, there is two parts, inside and outside. If we see outside Earth, plants, mountains, rivers, human beings, animals, etc. Because it is visible to us. So we are also living on the surface of the Earth. Do you know, you have ever wondered what lies in the interior of the Earth? We have seen outside the Earth but want to know what is inside our Earth. It is hollow. Earth is not empty inside. It has many things. What is that many things? Now we are going to learn in this chapter. So if we study about this chapter, we will come to know how Earth is made up of, what is there inside the Earth. So all we are going to study in this chapter. Hope you have understood this introduction. What we are going to study in this chapter: interior of the earth, Sial and Sima. Children, please don't think that Sial and Sima are brothers and sisters. Okay? After this, we are going to learn about rocks and minerals. In this rocks and minerals, we are going to talk about igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Interior of the earth. Children, you can see the diagram. Just go through the diagram as well. Understood? In this video, we are going to learn about interior of the earth. That means earth's interior. Here is a diagram, interior of the earth. You can see in the diagram, this is complete earth. Think that earth is cake and we took out one slice. Slice which took out upper part is called crust. Got it? After crust, the second layer is called mantle, and third layer is core. So earth is made up of like, and layer is like this. There are three layers: crust, mantle, and core. If you didn't understand, I'll give you a classic example related with the help of boiled egg. You can see in the figure boiled egg. How this boiled egg works related to earth, understand this. Boiled eggs upper layer is hard layer of calcium and inside is white layer, and inside that there is a yellow yolk. You related boiled egg has an earth upper layer of the egg, calcium, crust is thin, so same earth upper layer is thin and hard, that is crust. Inside a crust there is a layer called mantle, and mantle layer is molten magma. In egg you find magma, but you can understand inside egg white layer is mantle. Third layer in egg is yolk, is core. So in this way the earth interior is made. So imagine earth has boiled egg, so there is an upper mantle, lower mantle. So we will study in this more, you can study in this higher class. Now we are going to study about this three layers. First layer is crust. Crust is the uppermost layer over the earth's surface, is called crust. It is thinnest of the layers of the earth of other two layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental mark. I'll explain you about continental crust. We have land continental as well as ocean. Understood? In ocean underneath also there is a land, and upper surface there is a land. Continental crust is about 35 kilometer of continental mass. When we talk about oceanic crust, it is only 5 kilometer of oceanic crust. So under the crust the mantle start. Crust is uppermost layer and thinnest of all the layers. There is a division. Okay. Oceanic crust is compressed, and you know it is made up of silica and magnesium called Sial. You know it is 35 kilometer but it is light, and it is 5 kilometer but is heavy due to the density. Continental 35 kilometer but is light. Here it is a space and compressed to the ocean crust. The main mineral constitute of the continental crust are silica and alumina. Si plus Al is equal to Cl. That is why it is lightweight. The main mineral constituents of oceanic crust: silica and magnesium, Si plus Ma, Sial and Sima. So upper layer crust is made up of continental crust and oceanic crust. I think you understand Sial and Sima. So we understand one layer and other two layers are remaining: mantle and core. Just beneath the crust is mantle. Mantle is the molten, in the molten state, that is magma. Under crust there is a mantle. There is upper layer and lower layer made up of magma with semi-liquid. Mantle extend up to the depth of 2,900 km below the crust. Mantle start from 35 km to extend to 2,900 km. So mantle comes underneath core. Innermost layer is the earth is the core. Radius of core is about 3,500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron, and it is called knife. Ni plus Fe, this knife. So core is innermost layer. Nickel and iron are also minerals. Core is made up of nickel and iron and is called knife. Iron is also known as ferrous. So continental crust means Sial, oceanic crust is Sema, and core means knives. So interior of the earth is like boiled eggs. Our next topic will be rocks and minerals. So till here I'll conclude. We will meet in the next video with the topic rocks and minerals. Thank you and have a nice day.